transitional words. So what do you understand by transitional words? Transitional words, this type of words is linking words also. It links one sentence with another sentence. Sometimes you may think that it may be the breezing words, a breeze of one idea, a connection of one idea to another idea. So these are the indicators that aid the reader to understand the text. To understand the text properly, effectively and clearly. Indicators means some specific words. Transitional words are some specific words, and these words will not change in any other sentences or tense. Okay, it will remain the same, regardless of tense or person or subject. Transitional words will remain the same. And using transitional words or phrases makes it easier to move your ideas from one paragraph to or sentence, from one sentence to another sentence, from one paragraph to another paragraph, when there is the shift of ideas. Maybe you can say that today is a rainy day, but the weather is not comfortable at all. So one idea and another idea, there is a connection, there is linking words, and it links, and it will make your writing more enriched, and the reader who will read your text, he or she will understand it very effectively and precisely. Now, look at moreover. Moreover is another transitional words. Moreover, transitional words ensure that there are no sudden interruptions or jumps. There are no jumps between ideas by seamlessly connecting sentences and paragraphs. If there is no transitional words, then sometimes you may think, or the readers may think that there is no connection between the ideas. There is no link between the ideas. Suppose you are passing a busy road, so you have to use a bridge to pass from one side to another side. So this bridge is like the transitional words. These transitional words connect your ideas, and it becomes very much smooth and clear. And when the people will read, they will understand that there is some coherence among the ideas, among the sentences of the paragraphs also. So these are the connecting words. Transitions allow a discourse to flow. Discourse, text, a passage of comprehension to flow. That means there is smooth cohesion, smooth coherence. The flow, that means what the reader wants, the writer wants to say. There is a meaningful flow. And a speech that lacks transitions frequently comes seen as choppy and even disorganized. So, if there is no transitional words, it may sometimes seem that you missed, or the writer missed something. So, if you want to have some relevance, some coherence, you should write some transitional words. Sometimes you can say that these are called discourse markers also. Discourse markers. Next, look at some examples. These are only few of the examples. There are other transitional words also. Above all, indeed, truly, of course, certainly, actually, in fact, obviously, okay, definitely. Okay, this type of words we use in our day-to-day life, isn't it? We transitional words. But as you are the students of this course, now you have to know the term, the terminology of transitional words. The terminology is transitional words, but actually we use, now I am saying that actually, in fact, this is also transitional words, but maybe we didn't know that these are the transitional words. Now I'm writing a sentence and you will write 2 more sentences by using some of these transitional words or other transitional words which you prefer the best, which you prefer the suitable one. The suitable one. Now you may say that our exam is knocking at the door. Okay, so as your exam is there, our exam is knocking at the door. Our exam is knocking at the door, and just you have some brainstorming, and you try to relate other words by using some transitional words or discourse markers here. You can relate like our exam is knocking at the door, but you can use but.
Can I go?
Yes, obviously.
Yeah, our winter exams is knocking at the door, but in truth I have nothing to be nervous about, particularly. But I have nothing to be nervous about.
Yes.
Particularly when it comes to advanced writing.
Yeah. Okay. Particularly. Okay. Okay. You have mentioned the course name. So just think of the use of the transitional words. The idea that these words are connecting the ideas, one idea to another idea. Thank you so much. So we always tell in our life this type of sentences, this type of words, text or speech, and when you use these transitional words, your writing, your text will be more smooth and meaningful. Any of you, another one, can you try? Yes.
Exam is knocking at the door.
Yes.
We should read and write.
Okay, so between these sentences you can use a word that for these.
Perhaps
Perhaps or definitely we should read or we should take preparation.
We have to take preparation.
Okay.
Especially in this subject.
Especially in this subject, okay, you can mention the name of the subject. Okay, so between these 2 sentences you can use that for these or definitely. Okay, I want to write specific words. This type of word, definitely, obviously, actually these words will not be changed. These will remain same regardless of the change subject. Okay, it will not change. Obviously, definitely we have to study or we have to take preparation. We have to take preparation and yes, definitely we have to take preparation accordingly. And especially or in particular or particularly you can use this type of words. Okay? Particularly in, okay, you can mention that particularly in my drama course or other courses, linguistics course, particularly in linguistics course. Okay, these are just examples, but look at here. These words, this definitely, this particularly, okay? So what these words contribute? These another context. Without adding this word, sometimes you may seem that you are just jumping one sentence to another. There is no smooth cohesion. So, in this advanced EdTech course, you have to enrich your writing, and that's why you have to use some transitional words, some discourse markers to make your writing more enriched. Okay, another example. Yes, you tell someone. Yes.
Bangladesh could not perform with UAE in G20. Indeed, Bangladesh is weak in G20.
Bangladesh team, okay, the team of Bangladesh, or our team, we can say that our team could not perform well. Okay, fine. Our team, everybody listen, could not perform well. Okay?
With UAE. In the UAE matches.
Okay, UAE matches, fine.
Indeed, Bangladesh is
Indeed.
weak.
Okay, there is another. Indeed,
Bangladesh is weak in G20.
Bangladesh. Okay, no problem. Okay, Bangladesh
Is
is
weak. Weak.
oh left. Bangladesh left. Weak. Okay. Indeed, Bangladesh is weak
In G20 format.
in
G20 format. Make it
T20.
format.
Okay, T20 format. So here, indeed, that means in fact. In fact, you can use in fact, actually. So there should be a link between the idea. Our first idea was that when he was talking about the Bangladesh team. Bangladesh team couldn't perform well in UAE matches. In fact, Bangladesh is weak. So this is another idea, and this indeed is what the role of the transition, one idea to another idea, one sentence to another sentence. Clear to you? Fabi, you want to say? Anything? Okay, now. So far we have discussed. I think you can understand that what does transitional word do. Thank you, Shofuj. And anyone, you can suggest other sentences? Yes? No. So the main thing is the transitional words just have the link from one idea to another idea, from one sentence to another sentence, from one paragraph to another paragraph. For your writing course, these are very much important to understand. Clear to you?
Yes.
Okay? So, if you don't have any question, we can end our class here.